Hey guys, welcome to the Define Agile YouTube channel where we talk everything Agile, Agile tools like JIRA. My name is Anatoly, and today we're going to talk about releases, how to create your releases in JIRA. Before we do, I have two things I want to tell you. If you want to learn JIRA in one day and go from basic to advanced, have a course, go to get my help in the description for this video and click on a course and you'll get it. The other thing is, if you are stuck and you don't know what to do, you need some professional help, but you don't want to invest in very expensive consultants, you want to do like hourly consulting, so somebody can walk you through, you can go to get my help as well and click on calendar link and just book yourself into calendars of my team. We'll help you out one-on-one. And now let's look at releases. So I'm right now in my Scrum project. You can be I think in Kanban as well, but in Scrum, you have this releases tab. So all you need to do is click on releases. And here you are, the releases and versions are related in JIRA. So you need to create a version which will be your release, and then you can have a status of unreleased or released. So you just create a new version, which will be your release, and you can call it version 22.0, let's say. And then you can have a start date and end date. Let's say my start date is today, my end date is in a week. And then you can put description, you can save it, and then you have your release version 2.0. You can click on it, you can see it. Just click on it. So I show you guys what it is in there. See, it has 0 issues. You can always click release and it will be released. Or you can add some issues, which will be a better idea. So you can go to like backlog, and then you can click on any issue, and then let's add it to this release. So we want to release it with this particular issue. So let's say version 2.0 needs to have a bunch of things. Example would be you're building a login page, and your version 2.0 is a new login page. So you'll have stories related to UI and authentication, everything, and testing and design, whatever you want. It's all be in this release. And then when those stories are done, we're ready to release, and then we just click release and the version is released. So to add this to our release, we need to go to fix version and say version 2.0. And then it adds it to the release. So now you can see version 2.0 appeared next to our issue. So it's like an epic, but it's not. It's a release. And then if we go to releases again and click on version 2.0, we can see now that we do have 1 issue, 0 issues done, 0 issues in progress because it's in to do. And then we see it's unassigned. So we can see everything, what is happening with our release at a glance, how many issues were done, how many issues are in progress. If you're a product manager or somebody who needs to give some updates to your stakeholders, this is a very good tool for you to see at a glance what is happening. And the only thing you need to do is to make sure that you tag those issues with the release version. And then you'll be fine. So this is how you create releases in JIRA. This is how you assign your releases to your stories. Hope it makes sense. If you think that this video brought you value, please click on like and subscribe, because this is the way how I spread it to more and more people. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. I'm happy to read them. I appreciate you very much. And I'll talk to you next one. Bye-bye.